Mandalay Diadocs we started in 1991. There were too many barges, small barges that time, and they used to come a lot of repairs, emergency repairs. If that repair is not done, barges may sink also. So this facility was not available. That is why I ventured into this. When Mandavi bridge broke down, we delivered 4 ferry boats in 60 days time.
Once we started repairing barges, there used to be almost 20 to 30 barges we used to repair in a year, because that was one of the biggest dock, and the output what we used to give was much higher than the local average output. In Mandalay Diadocs, we have been working for last 30 years. We have been building barges, tugs, hopper barges, dredgers, passenger vessels, offshore supply vessels, inland vessels, seagoing vessels. Right now we are under the final finishing of a tug called Pirotan. It will be one of the biggest projects that we are doing at the moment. Quite a big achievement for Mandalay Diadocs this year for building that tug, for us to get into a different bracket of building of vessels. It is a 42-ton bollard pull tug with SRPs, steerable rudder propellers. It is being built for Gujarat Maritime Board. It is powered by Cummins 2000 horsepower engines. This year we are also building a 4500 DWT RSV barge, and I suppose this will be one of the biggest barge that is being built in India. We are building a landing craft for a Dubai client. It is a 65-meter long vessel powered with 800 into 2 horsepower NMAR engines.
There's an old adage saying that a single hand cannot tie a bundle. So we have a very efficient core technical team. With the teamwork, we can smoothly go through all the processes from the start of the vessel to the delivery of the vessel to the customer.
We have almost 300 people working in Mandalay Diadocs. They range from engineers to supervisors to fitters, welders, grinders, helpers. 3-number cranes of 15 tons to 70 tons, which help us in shifting of blocks and other material which is required. From 2005 till 2012, we have delivered close to 70 vessels. We have clients all over India, starting from Gujarat to Bombay to Goa, going on the east coast to Calcutta.
On the international front, we have started aluminum vessels, which is a foreign order. With this, we have foraged into the international market. Biggest expectation is there are three things. One is the quality. The second is timeliness. Third point is the material which we use. We use the material which is approved by the approving authorities. Mandvi Dry Docks is an ISO 9001:2008 certified company.
Our future plans is basically to concentrate on export orders, which will include landing crafts, tugs, offshore supply vessels, and also a huge focus will be on building aluminium vessels, which will be probably aluminium crew boats used for offshore supply of crew, having speeds close to 27 knots. Aluminium is a very light metal, long lasting, so we can achieve higher speeds with aluminium boats compared to steel boats. As a result, lot of offshore crew boats are now being built under aluminium compared to steel.
Continual improvement is the mantra of today if you want to achieve success and remain successful.